Hi guys, dahil weekend at sa wakas nagtugma ang off namin ni asawa, nag-date night kami dito sa neighborhood bar and resto. Quick review, they're open from 5 p.m. to 3 a.m., no entrance fee and may live band sila tuwing 8 p.m. Malawak ang area and outdoor seating kaya malamig. Good customer service at hindi malamok o malangaw. Meron din silang beer pong table for family or barkada bonding. For food and drinks, affordable and generous ang serving nila. Kami ni asawa ay solid fan ng sisig. At hindi nga naman kami binigo ni neighborhood dahil masarap at malinamnam ang sisig. Ganon din naman ang lechong kawali. Crunchy ang balat at juicy ang laman. Ternohan mo pa to ng Mang Tomas at suka, kaya dahil dyan ay napa-order pa kami ng kanin. For 673 pesos, lechong kawali, signature sisig, 2 kanin at 2 beer, for sure mababalikan namin to.